And to retail now, it's been a big week for earnings, as you know, and today it was Macy's turn to report. The department store reported better than expected earnings, which is a good thing, of course, but its sales were weaker than expected. And that sent the stock down more than 2% today. Courtney Reagan has details.
The magic wasn't with Macy's in the third quarter. Sales fell worse than expected, the first decline in 2 years, which led the department store to slash its full-year outlook to reflect this quarter's weakness. While digital sales grew, the quarter also marked the end of 40 straight quarters of double-digit online growth. Macy's blamed the slide on several factors: a warmer fall, which made it harder to sell cold weather items like coats and boots, lower spending by international tourists, weaker than anticipated performance in, quote, lower tier malls, and there were brief issues with the website as it made changes ahead of the holiday season. CEO Jeff Gannett told me the U.S. consumer is, quote, healthy. They have set the bar high for all retailers. We have to earn their trust and their business every day. And added, quote, we know Macy's fits into the consumer consideration set. But analysts aren't sure.
What we worry about is really women's apparel. That's been a very tough category. Also, it's a highly promotional quarter with other retailers really competing for that dollar.
The consumer wants value, they want brands, and they're going to places like TJX, they're going to Target, they're going to other places other than Macy's.
One thing Macy's did differently than competitor Kohl's this quarter, decided not to discount more than planned to chase sales, which did help protect margins and led in part to stronger earnings.
There are bigger picture issues here, specifically the future of the mall. As you know, mobile is the new mall. And as you know, the female shopper is so different now with a real Instagrammable generation that's interested in speed and trend and value.
On its conference call, Chief Financial Officer Paula Price said Macy's expects sales will improve in the holiday quarter and that the department store remains, quote, confident in its holiday plans. There's a lot riding on next week for Macy's, the most important several days of the year for the retailer. Its annual Thanksgiving Day parade is a huge marketing event. And then hours later, its stores open for Black Friday and the holiday season gets underway. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.